This is E-Star's world-first holographic smartphone. So, how do we generate glass-free holograms on smartphones? When we're looking at our smartphone, the camera will quickly track our eye movement. Eye tracking data is sent to our on-chip signal processing unit. It's quickly processed by our eye tracking system, which will lock on to where our eyes are looking. This is very important. Our eye tracking system will adjust the hologram generated based on where your eyes are looking, and you'll immediately see the holographic effect. This is the world's first holographic smartphone with our pioneering eye tracking technology, an innovation dedicated to the smartphone application. We call this Smart Holographics. You'll find 4 cameras on our holographic phone, a perfect air interface. The dual lens camera on the back is not just for taking holographic images, but more importantly, it's designed to collect and process holographic data. So what new user experience will such an innovative holographic smartphone bring us? No more dizziness or narrow viewing angles when watching movies in 3D. A truly immersive way to watch videos in 3D. Game playing becomes more fun and thrilling. Distance is no longer a problem. Lifelike product displays for online shopping. Complex traffic systems become easy to navigate. Education is no longer boring, but fun and lively. Anytime, anywhere, 3D scanning and printing. Well, all this is just the beginning. E-Star will continue to create new technologies for holographic applications. We make the impossible possible and create better lives.
Grand and spectacular screen images from a tiny 4.5 centimeter cube. SmartBeam is an incredibly simple to use personal projector that works with your mobile devices. Just press the power button on the right, connect it to your smartphone, and you're all ready to go. SmartBeam automatically traces a video from your smartphone and projects it on the screen through the lens in front. The incredible value of SmartBeam, powered by decent design and smart features realized by technology. 4.5 centimeters on all dimensions and 129 grams. This ultralight device boasts incredible brightness of up to 35 ANSI lumens, amazing color representations enabled by DLP technology, as well as a battery that lasts for 2 hours, and a screen that expands up to 100 inches depending on your comfortable distance. With the smart design honored at the 2013 IF Awards perfected by an aluminum finish, SmartBeam allows you to project images easily on the wall or the ceiling without an additional support. The joy of viewing your favorite content on a large screen anywhere, anytime. Educational material for your kids, as well as movies, games, books, video chatting, internet surfing, and more. Experience multimedia contents in your smartphone with SmartBeam. Making your smart imagination into a reality. That's SmartBeam for you. SK Telecom.
Riding on the road can too often be dangerous and sometimes even deadly. With our phones always in reach, distracted driving is more common than ever, but now you can use your mobile device to help protect yourself from drivers who are all thumbs. With a lane sight system, you can focus on the road ahead because we've got your back. As you ride, Lane Sight's patented rear camera system scans the road behind you, detecting approaching cars. Once a vehicle is detected, the system sends a flashing alert to the driver behind you and an audible alert to your Android device mounted securely on the handlebar. As the vehicle approaches, the system tracks it and the alerts increase in frequency. More frequent alerts help draw the driver's attention and warn you that the vehicle's getting closer, giving you plenty of time to move over. As vehicles pass, LaneSight's ultrasonic lateral distance sensor will detect the distance between your bicycle and the cars, providing another indicator of a vehicle's proximity to you. If a vehicle gets too close, the rear camera will capture video and save it to your mobile device's memory, along with the lateral distance data in case evidence of an incident should be needed. The lane sight system improves safety for all cyclists, whether you're training for a competition or out for a fun family ride. With Lane Sight, you can enjoy the ride because we've got your back.
Have you ever had your favorite piece of clothing hopelessly spoiled by washing? Washing can be a real pain, especially when you need to deal with delicate and hand wash only clothing. And it gets even more frustrating when you're on the move. Meet Dolphy, the world's smallest washing device that cleans your clothes with the power of ultrasonic technology. Dolphy is just the size of a smartphone, perfectly portable to fit in any bathroom or travel luggage. Using advanced ultrasonic cleaning technology, Dolphy carefully cleans even the most delicate fabrics without damaging or discoloring, ever. No rubbing, no whirling or stretching, no fading colors, no wearing off. Your favorites will be thoroughly and carefully cleaned from the inside of the fabric fibers by the power of ultrasound. The process efficiently removes dirt and odors. Your clothing will become ultra-fresh after ultrasonic cleaning. How does it work? It's amazingly simple. Just put your clothes in any sink or waterproof container. Add water, detergent, put Dolphy inside, then switch the device on and enjoy your free time. You'll see Dolphy glowing blue as it softly cleans your clothes. It works like magic. After about 30 minutes, your clothes are clean and fresh. Rinse them, hang them out to dry, and you can slip again into your favorites. They will look like new, even after many washing cycles. Dolphy's innovative technology has been developed and tested by MPI Ultrasonics Engineering Laboratories in Switzerland. The heart of the device, a powerful transducer, creates and emits ultrasonic waves that are multimode, wideband, and progressive. These precisely modulated sound waves travel through water and form microscopic high-pressure bubbles. This process is called cavitation. The tiny bubbles then implode, creating millions of microjet liquid streams. Those invisible yet powerful streams safely wash away all the dirt from the fabric. Dolphy is great for your personals, silk, lace, cashmere, everything that you would normally hesitate to throw into a washing machine. With Dolphy, you can forget about hand washing, damaged clothes, and the hassles of laundry while you travel. Enjoy freshness and freedom with Dolphy.
Introducing Smart Halo. Smart Halo isn't just another bike accessory. In fact, it's not meant to be removed after each ride. It installs permanently on your handlebar and pairs with your smartphone to turn your bike into a smart bike and provide a biking experience like no other.
Smart Halo's design philosophy has always been centered on simplicity. Biking in cities can be a challenge, so we've made sure our device was simple yet smart. How? By reducing its interface to its simplest possible form, a circle. This luminous halo allows us to communicate an impressive amount of information. Smart Halo finds the quickest, safest routes and bike paths for you to make your ride a stress-free experience. Just input the destination in our app, tuck your phone safely in your pocket, and let Smart Halo take care of the rest. Our unique circular interface allows us to show every type of turn the city can offer. Also, our light patterns warn you in advance of an incoming turn, so you get plenty of time to plan your next move. As soon as you start riding, Smart Halo tracks your bike metrics, your time, distance, average speed, the calories you've burned, as well as your total elevation. Unlike regular fitness apps, you don't need to press start or stop. It does it all seamlessly. You don't even need to take your phone out of your pocket. Smart Halo is also equipped with a smart nightlight. It turns on automatically when it's dark and shuts off on its own when you're done riding. With the personal assistant feature, Smart Halo will notify you of incoming calls or text messages right on your handlebar.
All of this intelligence wouldn't be possible without having Smart Halo living permanently on your handlebar. The design goal of Smart Halo was to build a simple and integrated interface that would fit any bicycle and under any condition. It's built to resist the worst that Mother Nature can throw at it, be it rain, dirt, or snow. Smart Halo was also built to resist your bike's worst enemy, bike thieves. Assembled with a unique tamper-proof system, Smart Halo can only be unlocked with a special key provided with the product. But we went further than this. Smart Halo is also an integrated alarm system. When activated, anyone trying to steal your sweet ride will hear the angry roar of Smart Halo.
Smart Halo has been designed to be beautiful inside and out. There is no on-off button on Smart Halo. Its sophisticated sensors detect your presence. It only turns on when you are riding. When you're done, it shuts down by itself. All this leads to amazing battery life to keep going as long as you do. Under normal